Hello and welcome and thanks for joining me again today. Today I've bought a Oxford disc lock. It's the Screamer 7. So this is my first look at it. We've got a waterproof cap at the top, so I've just pulled that back to find the bit where you put your key in. And that opens it up and closes it. So in the bottom there I can see there's a little Allen key section, and it does come with an Allen key, so we're going to undo that and hopefully it should open it all up. So the Oxford lock has a 100 decibel alarm. The bar that comes down to hold it is a 7mm pin. Right, I thought that had undone it, but it still doesn't want to come apart. Maybe it just needs a little bit more undoing. Give it another couple of turns and see. Well, the whole bit's come out now. No, it still doesn't want to come out. The screws come out, but the cap doesn't, the top doesn't want to come off. Let's see if I can just prise it off. I can't see any other screws or anything on there. Nope, still doesn't want to come off. Let me try turning the key. Maybe there's a mechanism for the key that's holding it in place. Oh, that's it. It's come on down. I've had to turn the key and it's opened it up there. That's it, it's all come apart now. So there should be a battery in there to turn the alarm on. I can't see exactly how we get to it. No, that didn't open anything. I can see there's a couple of screws on there. Maybe I've got to unscrew it. Yep, let's unscrew this one and see if this opens it up to get to the battery or not. I don't know if this is right or not. No, that doesn't seem to do anything. Maybe I wasn't supposed to take this bit off. There's some little clips. Let's see if we can open them up. Oh, there's the battery. So I didn't need to unscrew it. All I needed to do was take them side clips off. So let's get and screw that back on. So if you get one, you don't need to unscrew that bit. Oh. There we go, just screw it back in. So there's a little plastic covering over the battery. We need to get that off so the connections for the alarm are on there. Gonna just have to dig that out or something. Try a little key, see if that'll work. Nope, it still doesn't want to come out. That's it, we just prized it out there. Yep, so we just removed the little plastic coating so the connections at the end of the battery can connect to the metal inside there and make a circuit. That's it, just connect it all back up, put it back together, it just clips back on. try and put the front back on, and there we have it, the Oxford Screamer 7. So now I'll go and test it, and hopefully it goes off when it moves on the bike. It's not a main deterrent because someone could still cut your disc or get it off, but the more security devices you have, the less likely someone's going to waste their time doing it. They just move on to another bike and that's got no locks on or no things and try and steal that one instead of yours, hopefully. Right, let's just screw that back up.